Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video and welcome to day 1 of my 12 days of Christmas. Woohoo! I wish I had like some Christmas jingle or holiday jingle, but I don't, and I don't know that I'm gonna find one. Maybe I had it in there, maybe I didn't, I don't know. I'm going with no because I feel like I'm gonna be stretched to get 12 videos out in the next 12 days. So maybe I'll find time to find some music and maybe I won't. I don't know. Anyway, so to start off the 12 days of Christmas, I wanted to do something that was very, very simple, but really, really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys noticed a theme lately, but I have been all about super simple cards that make a statement. And this one is absolutely one of those. It's so simple and it seems, excuse me, it seems like such an easy concept, but it's so beautiful. I love this one. So I think I might actually use this one to give out to like friends and family or coworkers and stuff this year. I'm undecided still. I haven't planned that far. But this one is so pretty and it's so easy to do. And the nice thing is you could take this general design and change it up really easily just using a different background piece or a different designer series paper. The other thing that I would say is we're going to be using Very Vanilla for the background here. You could get a very stark, crisp feel and emotion with your card if you used Whisper White instead of Very Vanilla. I just wanted more of a soft, easygoing kind of vibe and look, so that's why I used Very Vanilla, but you could use Whisper White and it would be absolutely beautiful. So there is that. Before we get into talking about what you actually need for today's card, I wanted to talk to you about why I have 2 of the So Many Stars stamp sets. So if you watched yesterday's video, you'll know that I kind of mentioned that I would be doing some giveaways during the 12 days of Christmas, and today is the start of that. So to kick off my 12 days of Christmas and really say thank you to you guys, I'm going to be giving away this So Many Stars stamp set. One of my favorites, very, very versatile, very, very beautiful, and it's absolutely amazing. So like I said, this is really to say thank you to you guys. This last year for me has been very up and down, very crazy and very chaotic, and you know, it's just some things that you have to go through sometimes, right? Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows, so you have to go through some stuff. But over the last few months since I've been back and really picked up Little Moon Creation again and got back into stamping and card making and interacting with you guys, it's put a lot of my, not fears, but a lot of my, what's the word I'm looking for? Not anxiety is not the right word, but that kind of emotion to the side. And I've been able to put myself back into crafting and creating, and have really seen a difference just in myself from it. And so this is really the start of my thank you. Not that, you know, you just sit there and you get to watch all of this, but sometimes you forget what the impact that you have on someone like myself who just sits in a little craft room and makes videos and talks to a camera and basically talks to herself and gets to create product and share things like this with you guys. So this is my start to say thank you. To enter into the giveaway for this, you'll go to the coordinating blog post, which is the first link in the description box below, and then in that coordinating blog post it'll tell you all about how to enter the giveaway. So again, this is just my start to say thank you to everybody, to all of you guys, for helping me, even though you probably didn't know you were helping me, for supporting my little business, and sticking around, even if it's just interacting with me, and talking to me on Facebook or Instagram or in the comments section. That means so, so much. So thank you very much. You have no idea the small little impact that or the small little things, the small comment, the like, that you really do impact my life. So anyway, I'm just rambling now and getting all sappy. So, like I said, eligible to enter this giveaway, visit the coordinating blog post down below and all of the information will be there for that. So on to today's card. This is the card that we're making. Phew! To make this card, we're obviously going to be using the So Many Stars stamp set. We're going to be using this Joy stamp. So again, like my last couple of videos, I'm using this stamp set to kind of show you an alternate way to use this stamp set. Obviously, there are these very beautiful star images. You could do a really nice background with some of these. And really, this is very, very versatile to do. I'm just going to be using this sentiment here. So if you wanted to use a different sentiment that you have from another set, go for it. Have at it. This has plenty of beautiful sentiments to use. So you could obviously use any of these as well if you have this set or if you win it. We're going to be using the Stitch Stars dies. This is probably the centerpiece of the card, is the big stars that we have right on the front. We're going to be using the Night of Navy ink pad. This is, oh shoot, hang on, let me grab my catalog because I don't remember the paper. This is from the Brightly Gleaming Specialty Designer Series paper set. So it looks like this on the back, and then it has these really pretty like rose gold or copper stars. Very, very, very pretty. It obviously goes really well with the star theme of this card. For paper, we have our card base, which is a piece of thick Whisper White cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I need to score it at 4.25. We will do that momentarily. I also have a piece of regular, oh, did I say Whisper White? That's Very Vanilla. I don't know what I said. This is a piece of regular Very Vanilla, which is cut at 4 inches by 5.25. And then I just have a scrap here. You just need the scrap large enough to cut out the smaller star on the front. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start, we are going to use our dies here. And I just want to show you guys the dies, the two that we're going to be using. So you get a bunch of stars and some other little fun things, but we're going to be using the two largest stars. So the way that these come, it's actually just the largest in like the two kind of stacks, just so you can get an idea of which ones we're using. So the little bit of a smaller one we're going to be using with our Very Vanilla, and then the larger one we're going to be using with our Designer Series paper. So I'm super, super, oh my gosh. I think I might just got the hiccups. Oh no, I'm super, super zoomed in, so I don't know how much you can see. I zoomed in more to see how I liked it, honestly. So if it's horrible, let me know and I'll zoom out next time. But this was an experiment to see how I liked it. So I'm going to put my dies and my paper in my big shot. Whoops, let's turn you. Oh no, is this paper big enough? It should be. There we go. Okay. So we're going to make our little sandwich and then crank it through. I'm going to do it twice, once forward and then once back. As I've said before, my Big Shot, I need new plates and probably a shim or something, because my Big Shot's getting a little old. She's getting up there, but for now, I just crank it through a couple times to get the end result that I need and want. So now we can take these out of our dies. Super pretty. Super pretty, and this one is so easy. I'm all about like the easy right now, and maybe it's because it's like holiday season, so there's always a lot going on, and it's like I just want something that's really fast and really easy to do because there's a lot going on. That could be what it is. I also think that card making is a lot more fun when it's just easy and you don't have to think about it and it's not too intimidating. That's kind of where I'm at with my card making journey, if you will, right now. But anyways, back to this card. So we're going to take the star that we just cut out of Very Vanilla and the stamp that says Joy from our little set. And I'm just going to ink this up in Night of Navy. And I'm going to stamp it right in the middle of the star. Just like that. So stinking beautiful. I love this card. I love it, I love it, I love it. Sorry, I'm trying to close my ink pad without getting ink all over my fingers. So now it's really just a matter of putting the card together. So I'm going to start by taking our piece of Designer Series paper, the star that we just cut, and I'm going to actually use glue dots, I think. Mainly because I just have them sitting here because I put together my, my Christmas countdown advent calendar for yesterday's video. So I have these, or not. Sorry, that's not what I used these for. What did I use these for? Oh, it was my video the week before. That's what it was. I don't know. My desk is a mess. If you guys saw, you'd be ashamed. I say that all the time, I feel like. But anyways, I have these sitting here, and I feel like I can never get my snail to go all the way to the point, and I really want these to stick down as much as possible. So I'm just going to put a few glue dots along here. Oops, that one didn't stick. There we go. And then I'm going to center this right in the middle of my card. Now I'm not going to put it right in the middle, I should say. I'm going to put it up just a smidge. You could do it dead center. That's fine. It's not going to ruin the card or anything. I just like mine to be a little bit higher up. And this is actually a little bit higher than I even had it in my sample, just to give you guys an idea. And then what I'm going to do is take the Joy star that we just did, and we're going to take our glue dots again. I think I got, oh, one more point. Oh, and now the dogs are going to think that it's a good time to bark. Okay, I think they stopped barking. I swear, it's like every single time I film a video, they're like, hey, Mom's filming a video. That means it's a good time to bark. I don't know. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this star a little off center. So really I'm just taking it and kind of pushing it down a little bit and then to the left. You don't have to do this. This is completely optional. I just really, really, really like the way that this looks being a little off center. So I'm going to push it down just like so. Then we're going to take our card base and I'm going to grab my trimmer. And I'm going to put this, wait, is this the right size? Oh, it is. For some reason, it just looked a lot thicker than it normally does. So I'm going to line it up at 4 1/4. I almost did that wrong. And then I'm going to take the scoring tool or the scoring blade and score my card base. I'm going to flip this over and I'm just going to use some snail because it's easy. And then we're going to put this on here just like so. Fold this bad boy over. And there you have it. That is our card for today. So I really hope you guys enjoy. This one is, again, like I was saying earlier, so simple and so easy, but it looks amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Again, make sure you visit the coordinating blog post down below to enter the giveaway for this stamp set. And then come back tomorrow for day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas. I don't know what day 2 has in store for us yet because I haven't planned that one out, but you know, it's going to be great and everything's going to be just fine. So, no, I'm kidding. I will figure it out. I haven't actually planned it out yet, but I will figure it out and we will be fine. So, I hope you guys are having a great day. As usual, you can shop for any of these products 24/7 by going to littlemooncreation.stampinup.net. Oh, and today I also have a new host code for the month of December. I have not planned yet what I am giving away. So there is that. But I will be giving away some kind of embellishment for everyone that places an order using the host code here, somewhere here, during the entire month of December. So check that out if you're interested as well. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!